Hello, today I'll be showing you how to make terrible quality audio. First of all, go to your song of your choice, and then go into an editor. Sorry, wrong song. So then, you need to go in your desired song, and then change the speed to 5 times the original speed. And then you screen record. And after screen recording, put another project in the editor again, and then set the speed to that project to 0.2% of what it normally is. This should return it to the original speed. As you can see, it sounds pretty terrible. You can even do this many times.